Welcome to the banker lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use a mobile jump starter safely. First, make sure your vehicle is in park or neutral and the parking brake is firmly engaged. Always turn off all electronics like lights and the radio to prevent electrical surges. For your protection, wear safety glasses and gloves. Before starting, confirm your jump starter has at least 75% charge for optimal performance. Now, let's connect the jump starter. Find your car battery and identify the positive and negative terminals. Take the red, positive clamp from your jump starter and attach it securely to your car battery's positive terminal. Next, connect the black, negative clamp to a clean, unpainted metal part of the engine block, away from the battery itself. Avoid connecting it directly to the negative battery terminal. With the clamp securely in place, it's time to power up. Turn on your mobile jump starter. Allow it to transfer power for about 30 to 60 seconds. This gives your battery a chance to receive a charge. Now, try starting your vehicle. It should crank and come to life. If it doesn't start on the first try, wait a few minutes before attempting again to prevent overheating. Congratulations, your car is running. Now for the disconnection process. First, turn off the mobile jump starter. Then, carefully remove the black negative clamp from the engine block. Next, disconnect the red positive clamp from your car battery. Finally, drive your vehicle for at least 20 minutes. This allows your alternator to properly recharge the battery, ensuring you're ready for your next journey.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.